Welcome friends. Let me give you more about Interlink today. Interlink is today focusing on three basic areas. 1. Improving the business performance of our clients. 2. Building competency in those organizations to support execution and implementation. And 3. Giving capabilities and providing capabilities to work for future. Now, in case of growth strategies which we provide to all our clients, national, international clients, we develop the kind of issues which are required for those organizations to really deal with, give them a kind of design for growth strategy. From our intellectual capital which we have, we develop different kind of solutions for them and provide them a support of execution. Many times in the organizations you find that existing brands need to be leveraged, and by leveraging those brands you find you get much more growth rather than really anchoring on or focusing on something else. This also is done by Interlink in terms of brand strategy building. In case of inorganic growth, when you get to really know the valuation of the company and then really think in terms of whether we need to really merge or we need to really grow on our own resources, we find the business due diligence which we do, which helps people to really ensure that the valuation becomes accurate and also the potential which the companies have, they really can explore them. In case of competency building, you will find last so many years, almost 23 years, we are really developing competency in the pharmaceutical industry and other industries also to provide the skills which are required to really become competitive in the market and really grow well in terms of increasing productivity. Lastly, when we develop the capabilities are through new product development, through giving them new product innovative strategies and so on and so forth. Because where national companies require new products pipeline, while international companies require a lot of approvals to be really carried out. And Interlink is getting into more of alliances, partnerships with those companies who will provide these capabilities. Well friends, this is a website which will give you more about Interlink, and you will know more about Interlink offerings. Now in the Asian context, I can tell you Interlink is one of the important and serious consultancy player in pharmaceuticals, wellness, healthcare markets. And as the pharmaceutical industry's focus is changing from only serving sick patients to also serve healthy patients, you find this is important for all of us to really provide support to the value chain which is required, right from patients to the new molecules. And hence, I would say that in all this domain where people are really respected, common man is respected, patients are respected, you find number of solutions have to come up right from policymakers to the organizations. And Interlink works on all fronts, right from policymakers to the organizations, to ensure that growth is ensured. Friends, India is an important country in the world. India is not without world, world is not without India. And hence, I feel it is important for you to look at India-focused strategies to ensure that we really become globally eminent. India 75 is going to be a bigger venture, and by 75 years of India, we are going to really lead world, moral leadership or any other leadership. We are going to really have that. My humble request is to you that ensure that wherever you have any issue, whenever you want to really grow further beyond what is being possible by you, Interlink and the experts of Interlink are available. We have around 30 people in-house, 8 people in India, and also 1 person in Rome, Italy. We have a small office there. So as a result, we also service people who want the kind of growth. Let's meet and really discuss number of issues which are really troubling you or which are concerned. And hence, you find that Interlink and the offerings of Interlink will benefit to you and to your organization. I welcome you once again to really go through this website and look at our offerings, and let's keep in touch with each other.